It's raining. It's raining. I love the sound of the rain. Enjoying my night. Have to go to work tomorrow. It's gonna rain all night. The rain are blessings. My garden is gonna do so good. I got so many, a bunch. Oh, that was my solar light. It was the lightning and turns off when it's lightning outside. Oh, I love the rainy days. I got all my plants full of peppers. I got a bunch of potatoes still. Waiting for my 7 days to get here so I can start working on the property. And hopefully I get to finish doing some projects before the hurricane season. So it's gonna be exciting. I have so much good things coming. I just don't want to say anything, but I got so many good things coming. I cannot complain. I'm so excited about it. I'm still drinking my wine. I don't even know where I put my glass. Oh, I'm just relaxing and enjoying the rain. Oh, yes. I just wish I can be in the mountains. Oh, being so in that altitude, all the way high. What, 6,000, 8,000 feet high? Yeah. I love the West. The West is the best. Yeah. So you're just right here with the best company I ever got. Yes, me. I'm the best company. My best friend. We were talking a lot. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this rain. I love this rain. I got wet. I feed the animals. I got one that escaped. I got Snoopy escaped out of the cage. And thank God he didn't kill any cats or chickens. But I had to put him in a chain because I put it back in the damn pen and he climbs the fence. That animals are so smart. You can cage them, you can tie them, they want to be free. Unfortunately, over here, with this law, with people that they want to control everything, animals cannot be free. They are prisoners like we are. Anyway. Alright, just wanted to share my raining season. I'm over here enjoying my solar lights. They've been good. I got them for about 2 years. 2 years, gonna be 2 years. I got them. They're pretty good. They had helped me a lot. So not cranking the generator. I'm just I'm using my little fan. I bought a fan for $50 fan with a lithium battery. I charge it and it lasts me for 3 days, 4 days. I don't use it all day long, just when I go to sleep. Yeah, just when I go to sleep but it stays on for what, 6 hours, 7 hours. Yeah, it's pretty good fan. So oh my God, I enjoy that. I enjoy these nights. Peace. Yeah. I've been working too hard. I got a good day at work today. Keep me busy. Keep me busy. Then have to come home and do my animals. I washed the rabbit pen. I got to watch the wire thing, the cage, the whole thing. So they're in a clean spot right now. Collect my eggs. And then it started raining. I got one dog outside that he's scared of the thunder. And he's good to be inside, but I don't want to get fleas inside my house. Fleas are really bad. Well, it's life. It's unfortunately every little thing, animals, insect, whatever, has to survive somehow, and we have to survive. So we just finding ways to do it. That's it. I don't know. I'm happy over here on my little place. I sleep good. I got a nice bed. I got a roof that I'm not raining on. I got that old stove that I have to clean it. Now I'm gonna replace it. I bought a countertop stove, but the oven on this one is good. So I'm just trying to figure out how to just put the other one on top of this one and use the oven. Yeah, I'm gonna review the whole thing. I got so much projects, so many ideas, so many things. I just need more time to do all these things. I'm excited about everything. Got so many plans, but I'm not gonna say anything. It's just that, oh, it goes again. Oh, now that was a big one. Yeah, they light up the whole sky. That's why my solar lights turn off. They're supposed to be storm coming, but I don't know. I just love these rainy days. You know, it's thinking about life. How long I'm gonna be here in this world. I don't know. I'm not worried about it. I just wanna do the things I got planned on my head. There's a plan over here. There's it's a lot of things in there, just accumulating. But it's just one thing at a time, just small steps, and I'm gonna get there. So I'm gonna be posting something, asking. That's an idea, a plan. I want to retire so bad. I don't want to get too old to retire. I want to work 5 years hard so I can retire at 55. And I don't want to get too old and retire, and then I won't be able to do anything. So I'm still strong. Healthy. Thank God I'm healthy. And I'm tired right now. I'm tired. I got to go to work. I have to go to work 5 in the morning. I have to work. To get up at 4, see what's going on with the animals, and that's it. Oh my God. Have a good night. Blessings, and enjoy everything. Just be happy with the things we do. Raining. Have a good night.